Recovering deleted messages on Agoda can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check the trash or deleted items folder. Look for trash or deleted items folder within the Agoda messaging system. Some platforms temporarily store deleted messages here before permanent deletion. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled, check your email for any messages related to your Agoda bookings. These emails may contain important information or confirmations that can help you reconstruct the conversation. Step 3. Contact Agoda customer support. Reach out to Agoda's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, and they may be able to help you retrieve them. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use Agoda on multiple devices, check if the messages are still visible on another device. Sometimes, messages may not sync properly across devices. Step 5. Keep future messages safe. To prevent losing important messages in the future, consider taking screenshots or saving important conversations in a separate document. This way, you can easily reference them later. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages or at least find alternative ways to access the information you need.